boy. Been killing all of them haircuts. Back to back, 30 minutes, appointment time, you see me spinning. Top off, you see me winning. Everything better with a KP twin.
Yeah. You want the same way?
Yeah, pretty much. Just for the beard.
Yeah. Chin strap or what?
Or like fade it all down, and like you fade it all the way to right here too, just so I only had this hanging.
Oh, low to the face beard.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just a chin. Yeah. Yeah.
You can brine my turkey anytime. Oh.
Next Level Chef premieres after the Super Bowl on Fox. Oh, come on.
Welcome to our Fox College Football Halftime Show. Like the good neighbor, State Farm is there. Special moment after the first quarter here at the shoot. Ohio State's 2012 team. Like I said, going back and forth. The bell as you take a look at the State Farm halftime highlights. Stroud playing like the Heisman contender he is, man.
He is. We talked about it. The stage is set for him. In the pregame show, he delivered 17 points, 190 touchdown. Then he got off with that 5 assists on that opening drive. Fully set the tone. We talked about it through there. And how about this ball to Marvin Harrison? Go find your playmakers and let that thing play. Shout out to this offensive line. That offensive line, no turnovers as an offense, no sacks. When he has a clean pocket, he's the best in college football.
How about this? 365 days ago, Brady, they gave up 297 yards rushing. Now it's 11 carries for 10 yards. Who would stop it? They would stop football with CHEETO. It's down safeties or pressure. The first way to see pressure off the edge. There's no way to run the ball. You can stop the ball, hold the box. The second way is there's no need. There's no safeties deep. As a result, they stop the run. However, when that comes to rest, you break the tackle, there's no one left. That's a 69-yard touchdown. That's, you know, how much stress do you need? I don't think the Wolverines was very good.
Tape on the sides too.
There were safety in numbers except for the mini riot, but Leland started over in Kona.
I felt bad for that one. Something out behind waiting for you.
Hey ladies, hey Joey, on the bus with me.
The U.S. very statement. Hey everyone, good morning. Hope you're having an amazing day. It's Mark Weems. I'm in Trinidad and Tobago, and today we're on the island of Tobago. Hey guys, I'm in a restaurant in Mexico City. Right now, I want to say a quick thank you to our sponsor of this video, CHEETO. If you're looking for the highest quality knives for your kitchen, CHEETO knives are made from Japanese.
you go crazy.
I like to talk about this shit like this. I like to get Ronald Reagan, 1982.
Warren Terry, you go back to Nixon.
Stuff like that.
When the crack cocaine hit our community, we knew it was a war then. We knew after they killed Dr. King that something else was coming. So we knew we had strong, vibrant organizations, we had strong, vibrant community leaders. But we didn't have a struggle. And when you don't have a struggle, it's easy to get high. Yeah, you don't have a struggle, homie, it's easy to get high. So you gotta think, nigga, after the 1964 civil rights legislation, no matter what Nixon and Reagan did, if I bring you fentanyl pill to y'all, homie, and y'all say, shit, nigga, we been smoking weed, wanna feel good. Granddad and them didn't give a damn about feeling good, nigga. We came along and wanna feel good. Feel good, don't worry, be happy. Then granddad didn't give a fuck about happiness. I ain't happy and I got 12 motherfucking babies I done made. I got this goddamn tractor I got to work on in the morning. These goddamn cows ain't, yeah, man. Nigga, I ain't happy. But I got a family I gotta feed. So fuck Crater, kick it up. Bring the Crater guns in the Navy. He would say, okay, y'all can have all them guns. Who would say, okay, y'all, get them and let's point them at each other. He bought them. Why you can't say, okay, point them at him? Went the railroad tracks and sell this to them. Let's go get their communities strong. Why we bring it and put it down on us? What I can't do. That's what I can't do. Why we come bring it? It's just like when a nigga learn to scam. Nigga, you go across the railroad tracks. Don't come over here scamming. Why you want to scam us? You know how to shoot bad dice. Why you want to come put the bad dice on your home, everybody around here, huh? Take the bad dice over there. As I always say. Okay, if they bring this stuff to it, homie, why are we taking it and using it against us? When do we snap? Afghanistan made America the truth, homie. Afghanistan took over almost $1 trillion worth of new military equipment from America. Made them run America out of there. You don't hear about Afghanistan killing each other with their weapons. So, you brought up the war on the black man, the war on good, you got the war on poverty, at one point in time you had the war on crime, you got the war on gangs, you got the war on terror, then you got world war. So, imagine if America lose a war. They get the arms, the gas, line, pipe. But the greatest resources that America has of all, homie, is black America. We are the spawn of them. We don't have permanent freedom in this country. So, when you say the war on drugs, who's the spoils of that war? So they all the war. They let the drugs come through. They allow the drugs come through because we know for the longest, nigga, keys and cocaine, nigga, was from the Wall Street. So we know this. Why we going to the top? Poverty very stupid because our ancestors was impoverished. Our ancestors went to school barefooted. But they built more viable communities with all the money we got from dope selling. We were vibrant. But we had a struggle. Remember I said we didn't have a struggle, so what we did, we started getting high. When we didn't have a struggle, we started getting high.
Look, I just wanted to prove real quick, that makes perfect sense for the viewers. What he's saying right now, and what I'm picking up is like, what I'm picking up is like when I was living at home with my parents. You know what I'm saying? I was getting straight A's in school and everything that I needed to do. But once I went away to college and I got that freedom, it was a whole different story.
You start knowing your rights as an adult. Not that we need to be slaves, but nigga, we need a struggle. Right now, we ain't got no struggle in black people. Because when we struggling, nigga, we don't give a damn about nigga. We trying to get to the goal. Get to the goal, we struggling. We got to the goal, we got freedom. Nigga, I have a dream. I was a spur of the moment on top of these motherfucking niggas, nigga. But that was different. Tell them we'll take the signs down. So since they took the signs down with restaurants, we can ride the bus, we can go in the movie theater, we can drink out the water fountain. What struggle have we had, nigga? We're trying each other. We ain't got no struggle. This country now, so they don't have babies, so he ain't reproducing no more. Abortion. Say y'all gonna wipe us out. So not only men fighting against feminists and feminism, they ain't got the LGBT boy telling them, hey, fuck you. I'm a woman, but I'm still a man, motherfucker. Everybody in this motherfucker now.
He said everybody in this
You think he worried about his babbling niggas? Ain't no political office to change laws. His niggas ain't trying to become a Supreme Court justice to overturn Roe versus Wade. The nigga is killing niggas. Do you think the white man is trying to set a plan up? You think he's still waging war on the nigga? He did that on your granddad and them. Cause them niggas were trying to get some shit. Y'all ain't trying to get nothing, so why would I wage a war on y'all when I got Russia fucking with my election? I still got the Iraqis and Al-Qaeda and the Taliban. They just can't get together, but they still trying. I got the North Koreans. This motherfucker shooting a missile every other month. And he's not God damn it, he ain't never been this close. I got the Mexicans, goddamn me, flooding my country with fentanyl, that's killing every goddamn body. I ain't can't worry about these niggas that's babbling and killing each other. Now, I'm taking resources from them. I'm trying to cut the food. I'm trying to cut the outer goddamn me saying, nigga, y'all better not do a motherfucking thing with us, cause we finna fuck with South Korea, y'all motherfucking military. And goddamn it, y'all ain't coming over here. We taking land from Ukraine. We done sent almost $100 billion to Ukraine. Man, I can't worry about these babbling niggas. I ain't got no war against them no more. The things that our slave masters put in place for they people is still working. We don't need to do nothing new. Give them, let the Jews have them in rap music, and rap music will take care of them fine. Let us stay out of rap. We're not going to enact no laws to change it. We're not going to put new parental advisory labels. We're just going to stay away from that. That'll take care of the court system. So why would we be coming together, wasting our time, fucking with the niggas, when everybody in the world except the UK and France and a few other little small countries, everybody else got their nuclear weapons pointed at America? Why would we be worried about niggas? Can anybody explain that to me?
DJ, you go crazy! I want space. Here are the back inputs, and you will be needing that USB hub. Since on the side of this unit, it includes 2 USB ports, you'll need a USB hub for your computer inputs, mouse and keyboard to play the computer games. One of the USB ports is used for this, and mine came with a 256 gigabyte micro SD card, and here are the specs. So you can slow this video down and review it. It shows the amount of
yeah, classic.
included. Now,
Yeah.
it does say total.
I want something like that for this
over
TV.
100 There are duplicates.
Yeah.
There are some.
I got one at the crib. I could put one on too.
That number.
Just to have it on.
There are things about this that
I know they got something that's like the size of a laptop.
that I didn't get to work, but a lot did work, and I'm going to share that in this video. Many different handhelds going way back, and some pretty sweet systems that you may remember growing up and playing. You know, this device can function for many things. For people that want to sample something that they never discovered themselves, you know, a lot of things are very.
You say it's brand new.
Greetings and welcome to another LGR system unboxing thing. And this right here, I've been wanting to get to this for so long. The Sega Dreamcast, one of my favorite consoles, right up there with the original PlayStation, the Sega Genesis. Just, I don't know, I've always been drawn to the system, and I've been holding on to this boxed, I believe unused, November 27th, 1998 in Japan is when it originally came out, and then here in North America, September 9th, 1999.
99.
99 release date. But I'm sure a number of things were longer. It was down to $149 a year later in August of 2000, and dropping to $99, and then going down and down and dying a sad, premature death. In January of 2001, it was announced that it discontinued, and then it was off store shelves by March 2001, more or less, with Sega leaving the console market entirely, and whatever was still out there littered the clearance shelves. It was just nuts to witness that, having grown up in the 90s too. But I did know a bunch of folks who grabbed one after it was killed off, including myself. The Dreamcast was the first console I actually bought entirely on my own as an adult, albeit used, and I did so in April of 2006, purchased at my local Rhino Games.
That's one of my favorite spots. Yeah, I go to
the sort to the original.
I want one.
The Dreamcast itself ended up really getting me you know, the GD-ROM that it had on there was neat to store up to a gigabyte, but whatever. It mostly played burned CDs, at least on the model that I had, and that specifically
right next to the
things like
shot. That'd be hard.
that hype. You know, they were going to have a Voodoo-like chipset or API for Glide going on. At one point, it sounded like, and me being a die-hard. And then the slight disappointment came when I saw the news of the Power VR debacle, with eventually Sega going with the Power VR 2 for graphics in the final version, clocked at 100 megahertz with 8 megs of texture memory, which didn't sound amazing to me, but, you know, then I saw Sonic Adventure, a demo unit, playing at Sam's Club, and, well, I was absolutely psyched again. I mean, it looked incredible.
What's this called so I know, like
Shadow Fade.
Shadow Fade?
Yeah.
Okay, cut no game.
First 48. First 48. First 48. Oh, first 48.
Yeah, I say, text my line and